Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Tamim. I'm here with Dr. Rajat, who has got excellent score. Rajat, please introduce yourself, tell your score, your college.
So I'm Dr. Rajat Assoldekar. I'm from Goa Medical College, and my score for NEET 2020 was 635.
Congratulations. Great.
Yes, thank you.
So Rajat, I think the purpose of recording this is just to guide your juniors and especially people from your own college. It will motivate them to see you on the video and to hear from you. So just start off and go ahead and tell about your journey.
So I started my PG preparation in year 2020 as a post-intern. So during the internship, sir, I used to read the DBMCI question bank, which came as the hard copy, the textbooks. And I could, the internship was quite hectic and all, and I could manage a rank of around 13,000 in the year NEET 2020.
Okay.
Yes. So, sir, my actual preparation started from March 2021. 2021 after the end of my internship. So I used to be regular with the classes. I attended all the classes and I ensured that the notes are completed during the class itself. And post class, I used to go and read the notes, finish the notes, so that for the next class, it is better for me to understand.
Okay. So you did the pre-recorded classes or the DBMCI live classes?
So initially it was in the month of March, it was a live class, satellite-based course in Goa Center, sir, and class was taken by Dr. Sushil.
Okay.
After that, sir, from the month of April, sir, it was a live class on DBMCI Live. So I always preferred watching live class so that we could get the flow and so the portion could be completed in that particular time.
Okay. We also have a eGurukul pre-recorded section. Did you get a chance to see those?
Sir, if there were any notes that were incomplete, which I felt means I couldn't get during the class, then I used to watch the pre-recorded videos.
Great. So basically, I think, as I keep saying, people are fed up of seeing these kind of videos unless there's a benefit from them. The biggest benefit I would say is, particularly for your college juniors to see you there and giving advice. I think that is the biggest advantage, mainly for your own juniors. That's one. Secondly, for anybody else who's interested, I think basically giving them an idea about what all is required to crack this exam. So approximately for your marks, what's your tentative rank that we are expecting?
So around 750 to 770.
Great. I think that's within 1,000 is a remarkable rank. So out of 1.7 lakh people, I think getting that rank is just amazing. So Rajat, do open up and tell, because just if you say I study doesn't help anyone. So what was your method of preparation? What else students need to do?
So sir, initially, sir, I finished the notes, completed the first round of revision by September, sir. That is when the classes got over. By that time, one complete revision was over. So then after every subject, there were cumulative tests and the post-class test. So I used to give all the post-class tests and the cumulative tests with sincerity. So the scores were quite good in those tests, sir. And in October, there was vibe. So by October, everything was one round of revision with the image-based question was over. So after that, I started with my second revision, which got over in the month of January. So during that revision, sir, I also read the LMRP book by the DBMCI, that was LMRP 3.0. And there was one more book, sir, which was written by you, the NEET PG, Great Leap Towards NEET PG. That was a past 5 years paper. So that helped a lot. So whatever things were there in that book which are not in the notes, I used to highlight so that it would be better for the subsequent revisions.
Great. So by Jan, you were ready actually, but the exam got postponed. So what did you do after that?
So the thing was, actually in our college, there was a bond, sir. So we had to work for the COVID, in the COVID ICU and all. So till January, sir, though I could manage with the notes, but the question bank, and I didn't get much time to look in the question bank. So from the month of January, sir, from the month of February, I started doing the question bank. So the question bank 1.0 and 2.0. By the month of May, I could complete, sir, around 90%. And after that, by August, I completed the whole question bank, sir. So the entire question bank was done, and the subject-wise test, whichever were there, sir, for the particular subject, that was the recent trend as per the NEET 2021. So I used to give those also, and every GTs I attended, sir.
Right. So how many questions did you attempt?
So I attempted all 200.
All 200. Okay.
Yes.
Great. So what? Obviously, you told you attended classes, you made notes, you did grant tests, right? Anything additional you can give information to your juniors so that they have to do these things to crack this exam?
So basically the LMRP 3.0, the concise book was there that helped me a lot. Apart from that, the great leap towards NEET PG. And the third one was the US MLE step 1, sir. The entire book I saw, the step 1 MLE, that was set of 1,000 questions. So that helped a lot. So that I knew though I knew the theory, like how to apply that, I learned from those solving the question.
Great. Great, Rajat. I think it's just remarkable to listen to you. I'm sure everybody at home also must be very proud of you and happy.
Yes,
so all of us also feel very happy and proud of you. So I think it's just remarkable. Any final words of advice you'd like to give? So if I was a student, let's say, if I had to start, what year would be ideal? Obviously, the earlier we start, the better it is. You started at which time? I mean, when did you really start preparing for entrance?
So actually, I started during internship with the question bank, the hard copy of the question bank. But the actual classes I started attending in post internship 2021.
Okay, so first NEET was 13,000, and now you're getting around 700. Yeah. So I think that's a remarkable improvement, I feel, from 13,000 to. So you felt it was worth dropping a year, because even 13,000 you could have got something last year, I think, right?
So yeah, it was worth dropping.
Great.
So because I was actually not getting the branch which I wanted, so that's
great. So I think it's just really very pleasant talking to you, Rajat. I think it's nice.
Thank you.
You were also there in our Super 30 group, and I also frequently used to see you asking. I think Dr. Nachiket is also joining us. So Dr. Nachiket, Dr. Rajat, who is very active member in our Super 30 group, finally we got a chance to see him.
Sir, good afternoon. Congratulations, Rajat.
Thank you, sir.
Rajat, first of all, I want to say that you are a very, very sweet student. Because apart from everything, I think I always have a personal connection with you, because the way you used to talk, the way you used to ask things. Yes, academically you are brilliant, I know that. But even then, you are like a very well-mannered, sweet child. I think, and I loved being a part of your journey. So I'm just glad that I had a chance to converse with
you.
He was very active in our Super 30 group, I think.
Exactly, sir. I think he's one of the few people who used to, just keep messaging me all the time. Ki sir, ye chahiye, ye nahi aaya. Even and a couple of days back, sir, 207 ka jo GT ka result tha. So he was after my life. Usko jaldi karo, taki ek din pehle result aa jaye. So I actually did that for him. So I'm just glad that I got a chance to converse with you.
Great.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So Rajat, ये तो सब कुछ हो गया. अगर कुछ special point बतानी है, let's say किसी खास, let's say your girlfriend who's preparing for entrance now, what would you tell her? कुछ खास बताओ यार, सब लोग यही बता रहे हैं. कुछ खास बताओ ना, क्या करना है पढ़ने के लिए, क्या करना है? How do you keep yourself motivated?
So motivated as in the thing means I had to get the dream branch of my choice, sir. So that was a kind of motivation. And Then the classes, the live classes on the DBMCI live, and also we didn't feel bored, sir, throughout the course till September, October, and even after then we could interact with the faculties, and also it was very quite an interesting journey.
Right, you were there with us for almost close to 2 years, so you're not fed up of seeing us?
No, sir.
Great.
It was actually very interesting journey.
Great. So my best wishes to you, Rajat. I hope you go on to have a glorious career ahead. And
thank you.
Hope the best for you. Very, very happy to hear from you. your success, as I said, all your success, all your people's success, it feels like as if we've succeeded. So it's just great going through together in this, difficult journey. I think it's just remarkable. You performed so well. So congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Any final words, Dr. Nachikit?
Sir, I think, sir, you have finished it very nicely, sir. And congratulations again. Congratulations again, Dr. Rajat. May God bless you. And on behalf of all the DBMCI family, a big congratulations. You are going to touch new heights, and I wish you nothing but the best. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
And best of luck.
thanks a lot, sir. Yeah, thanks a lot for your help, sir. Yeah.
Thank you.
Take care. Take care. Bye.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.